Hi everyone, for today's video I'm going to try to remove this stain right here. I'm not sure what causes this stain in this carpet, but this has been here for a while, and I have shampooed this carpet and still have this stain. Let me go ahead and try this product called Folex. I got this from Home Depot. I've used this before and it works well. Let me go ahead and give this thing a try and try to remove this. See if I can remove it. So this is actually a surfactant. So it is supposed to just lift the dirt out. When you use this, the dirt doesn't come back easily. So let me go ahead and use a white towel. And what you want to do is just agitate it. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay. So it looks like it did work. I'll just wait for it to dry up. Let me go ahead. Okay, so it looks clean to me now. I don't see the black spots anymore, but there is, of course, the carpet got wet, so it gets a little darker, but it looks like it's good. So I hope this video helped you. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel. Thank you for watching.